Welcome back. Crime branch has arrested two constables, Prajyot Kandolkar and Denzil Carasco, for extorting money from a builder, Tarak Arolkar. Both the constables are attached to Mapsa police. Builder Tarak Arolkar has complained that the constables were blackmailing him. Mapsa police has remanded both the accused to 2 days police custody.
Initial investigation has revealed that some days back a laptop and some other stuff were stolen from builder Tarak Arolkar's office. Tarak lodged a complaint with Mapsa police. Constable Prajyot Kandolkar, who is childhood friend of Tarak, informed him that his colleague Constable Denzil Carasco has recovered his stolen laptop. Prajyot Kandolkar also said that Denzil Carasco has read some sensitive information regarding his business from his laptop and demanded money to shut his mouth with assurance to return his laptop. When both Prajyot Kandolkar and Denzil Carasco started pressurizing Tarak for money, he approached the crime branch. Acting upon his complaint, crime branch arrested Constable Prajyot Kandolkar and Constable Denzil Carasco. So far, crime branch has not found complainant's laptop from accused's possession. Later, both the accused were produced before Mapsa District and Sessions Court, where the court granted them 2 days police remand. Crime branch is investigating whether the accused blackmailed or extorted any other person in past. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte with Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A 59-year-old man died in 108 as the ambulance lacked emergency oxygen cylinders. Doctors had advised to shift the patient to GMC on emergency basis. 108 ambulance did not have oxygen in the cylinder, nor did they have any extra cylinder filled with oxygen. Son of the deceased has blamed medical attendants.
It was a tragic death of Abdul Sheikh on Saturday. This is the life-saving vehicle in Goa, the 108 ambulance. But it led to death of a person struggling to live. Abdul Sheikh from Ponsule, Dharbandora complained of chest pain, due to which he was immediately shifted to primary health center at Dharbandora. Doctors at the hospital informed that the patient has to be shifted to GMC for treatment. Son of the deceased, Imran Sheikh, called the 108 for help, but there was no oxygen in the ambulance. None of the medical attendants were aware of it and had no idea about refilling the oxygen cylinder.
ड्रायव्हर गेलो सेंट्रल गोवा हॉस्पिटलान ऑक्सिजन मागता आनी नर्स तेजी सांगता आमचे कडेन एकूच सिलिंडर आसा आनी आमचे कडेन सिलिंडर ना म्हणून मागीर म्हणटा आमचे कडेन ऑक्सिजन आसा म्हणटालो आनी हेंचे भितरले मशीन चलना 108 भितरले आनी 20 मिनटां हाडली हेंच्यांनी आनी बायपासार पुट्टी थंय आमी कसो हॉटेला कडेन आमकां उबे केले 20 मिनटां पर्यंत वापराक कित्याक ऑक्सिजन आनी दुसरे एम्बुलन्स हे करपा लागून आनी हेंचे कांय ना केअरलेस करनासतना म्हाज्या बापायक मारून उडयला हेंच्यांनी.
Son of the deceased said he would file a complaint against the medical attendants of the ambulance, as due to lack of oxygen, his father Abdul Sheikh expired.
So, तुम्ही complaint करतले? complaint करतो. म्हाका फक्त हेचे रिजन दे. हेचे ऑक्सिजन असताना ती गाडी कशी चलयता का म्हणून. अशेच गाडी चलयता, अशेच लोकांक मारून उडयला असता तेंच्यांनी 108 आनी कांयच करूं ना हेंच्यांनी.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has not taken development of Kampal Creek seriously. Goa forgiving a NGO is disappointed with the CM's assurances and his attitude towards the Kampal Creek. Goa Foundation convener Claude Alvarez said that government has already received funds from the central government.
Goa Forgiving, an NGO, has come down heavily on Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for neglecting beautification and renovation of Kampal Creek. Claude Alvarez said that CCP has already received 20 crores from central government for the development of Kampal Creek.
We feel that since the money has come from the central government, previously there was no money, now there is some money. We are hoping that the money now, the good sense also will be available. And within a few months you will have. Now the money is already with the government now for 6 months?
Yeah, it's for 6 months.
For 6 months. And I feel that in another 6 months it will go back. So we will watch for another month or two before we assess them to take legal action.
Social activist Dr. Oscar Rivello has appealed the government to consider Kampal Creek development on priority basis.
Key to what I think Goans and Goa really wants and is in absolutely desperate need of is Vishnu, who is the god of conservation. We need to conserve as much as possible all the assets God-given and man-given and history-given for posterity for us.
Goa Forgiving as a trust is unhappy. We are unhappy about the development or the lack of development in the Kampal Creek. And we hope that the media helps us to take this idea forward because we would like to work with the government. Manohar Parrikar is a personal friend of ours, of all of us. But we say the government has to act.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.